Hi, I'm Christine Javornik. I'm an Evenflo Master, and today we're going to try out the Blonde to Brunette new pigments that just came out. I'm super excited about this, and we're going to do a swatch and a pigment drawdown to see how the pigments flow, what is the consistency, and also their base tones. I am actually going to try the deep brown. I like to place a drop at the top, a little bit of water. So as we can see in this one, it's actually a very rich color. You can see it has a red base. I would actually say it's a warm to neutral color. I love this color. It seems very pigmented and it's not as diluted as other pigments. I think it's a beautiful color. It's going to be a nice rich brown. We're going to try now the dark blonde. This color is a very beautiful color, as you can see. I can already see that it has a warm tone, which in blondes is super important. And having a blonde is a difficult color because blondes usually in general will have a lot of cool undertones, and you usually need a color that's going to warm them up. So this color is actually very rich. You can actually see a lot of yellow in it, so it's going to give that warmness enough for a blonde to be able to use it. We are going to try the gold blonde. I think this color would be perfect for me. Immediately when you do the drawdown of this, you can already see it, like from the gold blonde, that it already has a very rich base. And I think that usually in general, it's very rare to find someone that actually needs a cool color. And I think this is an ideal color for all our light blondes to our medium to dark blondes. When I'm trying to look for a lighter brown, I would mix the gold blonde with the deep brown. I think it would give me that richness and that warmth. And our last color is bronze brown. Immediately you can see the warmth in this as well. It is warmer than the deep brown. You can already see there is an underlying of red is like one of the main colors. I would use probably anywhere for a person that has brown hair, even dark skin. Like if you're trying to give them a richer color, I would probably complement it between bronze blonde, the deep brown, and the gold blonde. I think that's going to be my favorite combinations from what I'm seeing, and mostly with the clients that I usually have. Absolutely love them. I love the consistency of it. They flow amazingly. The colors are very warm in general. They don't really have much of coolness, warm to neutral. So I think the composition of this is going to be a full range for all blondes and brunettes and even redheads. I'm really excited to try these new pigments, and really a game changer in the whole pigment lines. And we've been waiting for this and looking forward to it. This is Christine Javornik. I'm an Evenflo Master. I just did the pigment drawdown for the new Blonde to Brunettes from Evenflo, and I absolutely cannot wait to try them. The range is amazing, and you guys need to get your hands on them. So you can go to evenflocolors.com and get yours today.